Yes, hello friends, Rishi. Today our point is one property that is related with boiling point. Acha, boiling point, what is the boiling point? It is related with liquid state. At particular temperature at which liquid will start to boil and convert into gaseous state. It is that temperature is known as a boiling point. In boiling point always, what are the factors affecting the boiling point? First one is strength of bonds. If the bonds remain in organic compounds is strong, then boiling point will be more. Then number of bonds. If the number of bonds in organic compound is more, then boiling point will be more. Number of bonds will be less in organic compound, then boiling point will be also less. Okay. Now, three factors, 1, 2, 3, I have given to you. Boiling point of alcohol is more compared to corresponding alkane compound. Yes, what is the corresponding compound? There are two factors. First one, molar mass and number of carbon atom. If the two organic compound having same molar mass, otherwise you can say same number of carbon atom, they both are known as a corresponding compound to each other. Functional group will be different in both compound, even though they are known as a corresponding compound. Methanol is a corresponding alkane is methane. Ethanol, it is related with ethane. Propanol related with propane. Acha, one more thing. Now you see, what is the reason for the higher boiling point of alcohol compared to alkane compound? Hydrogen bond. That is a very, very important bond and we have already studied about hydrogen bond in standard 11th. Hydrogen bond is nothing, is simple attraction between positively charged hydrogen and lone pair of electron. Now you see in case of alcohol, R single bond OH, when all oxygen form two bonds, at that time two lone pair of electron will be present on oxygen atom. Moreover, in alcohol, OH bond is there. Electron activity of oxygen is more compared to hydrogen. That's why OH bond बनाने वाला electron pair will be slightly dragged toward the oxygen atom. As a result, hydrogen will acquire plus delta charge. Now you see, plus positively charged hydrogen and सेकेंड अल्कोहल के मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर जो ऑक्सीजन पे लॉन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इन दोनों के बीच a weak attraction force will be formed. This attraction force is known as hydrogen bond. In case of alkane compound, there is no chance for the formation of hydrogen bond. That's why, yes, boiling point of alcohols are more compared to, otherwise you can say corresponding alkane compound. Second one, increase in homologous series. CH3OH, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2OH, then CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. This is the homologous series of alcohol. Homologous series means the series, yes, group of organic compound having same functional group. If same from functional group same है तो उनकी chemical properties will also same. Okay. One more thing. Difference between two successive organic compound will be one carbon and two hydrogen. Otherwise, वो difference molar mass का difference 14 atomic mass per unit होगा. As we go from top to bottom in this homologous series, now you see in methanol 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bonds. In case of ethanol 8 bonds are there. In case of prop 1 all 11 bonds are there. In case of but 1 all there are 14 bonds. Yes, the energy required, the heat required to break 5 bond is less compared to heat required to break 8 bonds. and that's why boiling point of ethanol will be more compared to methanol. Yes, जैसे जैसे as we go from top to bottom, हम जाएंगे होमोलोगस सीरीज में नीचे, तो नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे. एज द नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स इंक्रीज, दैट्स व्हाई यस एनर्जी विल आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी ज्यादा होगी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट रेशियो इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. अच्छा, नाउ थर्ड केस, इन केस ऑफ isomeric alcohol. Isomeric alcohol means the alcohol compound in which number of carbon and hydrogen and oxygen elements के number equal होंगे. Means the organic compound having same molecular formula but the different structure of formula. They show the different type of properties. Suppose C4H9OH. Okay, this is the butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol का structure, this is the first possible structure in which all four the carbon atoms are arranged in a linear chain. It is known as a but1-ol. In second case, yes, OH group is present on second carbon. It is known as a isobutyl alcohol. Otherwise, its IUPAC name is but2-ol. And third one is, yes, this is tertiary alcohol. Yes, otherwise IUPAC name is 2-methyl prop2-ol. This is the illustration of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Because, yes, the carbon atom which is directly attached to the OH group is known as a primary because it is directly attached with one carbon atom. That's why this is primary alcohol. In this case, OH group at जिस कार्बन से अटैचमेंट है, that carbon is surrounded by two carbon atoms. That's why we can say this carbon is secondary carbon, and that's why this alcohol known as a secondary alcohol. In this case, the carbon atom which is directly attached to the OH group is surrounded by three carbon atoms. That's why we can calculate this carbon is tertiary carbon, and that's why it is known as a tertiary alcohol. Yes, in isomeric alcohol, the structures are quite different. Molecular formula same है, structure different है, तो then chemical property will also different. But now you see, boiling point always depends upon the arrangement of carbon atom in a chain. As we go from top to bottom, shrinking होता जाता है molecule का. As the shrinking होगा तो intermolecular distance between two molecules will increase, and as a result the attraction forces arise between two molecules will decrease. So the boiling point will decrease as we go from primary alcohol to secondary alcohol and secondary alcohol to tertiary alcohol. Okay, Prisha, thank you very much. We will meet on next lecture. Okay, see.